Hi everyone, I'm Jason. In today's video, Tanggula just sent me their latest model. This is the X6 series. So you guys heard of the X5? This is the X6. And it is one of their smart media players. It's an Android 14, 8 times of ROM. It's an 8K box, 5.0 Bluetooth, and it supports Wi-Fi 6. Let's check out the other sides. Nothing there. So here in the back has all the details, but I'm curious to see what it looks like. So let's open this up. Here's the box. You just put it aside for now. Okay, user guide. User manual. Plug, and you can order this for your country. HDMI. Remote control. White buttons. Looks like it has a mic. And that's it. So it's white. Very plasticky. TA. So right here in the front, it looks like we have our I. Here on the side, micro SD, USB, and USB 2. You got your power, and you got your HDMI. You got some vent holes there, and you got quite a bit of vent holes at the bottom. And that's all there is. Pretty small. Let's hook it up, and let's see what else has changed on this thing. Okay, notice with the remote, something's loose. You got USB. So this is a Bluetooth remote. So I'm going to put it in USB 2 because it's 2.0. This is a 3.0. Now let's hook it up. Okay, so the first thing I have to say is I didn't notice this before. You cannot hardwire this box. This box is strictly Wi-Fi. Okay, so it is an Air mouse, as you guys can see. And this is how it preloads. So first things first, we need to connect this to the internet. So let's go to the gear. Network, available Wi-Fi's. Okay, so now we're connected to internet. Let's go to device preferences. Locations. And let's turn this off. Okay, so let's exit out of here. I get rid of the Air mouse. Go back to normal. Okay, so let's go to the App Store. Here's all the preloaded ones, but we want the TA Store. Okay, that's pretty cool. So we got some new apps here. We got the Tang TV, Tar TV, Be Live. We'll check that out in a bit. And we got the Black Tang TV. First things first, we need to make sure the box is activated. We have to go to Activations, press OK. It's going to download the app, install, open. And here we go, confirmed. It's okay. Beautiful. So now we're able to install these apps. So I have some of you guys asking me, what is TaLeap? It's their VPN. It's a free VPN. Download it and use it. Okay, so once we're finished downloading all these apps, exit out of here. So here in the home page, now we could create some shortcuts. The other thing I want to mention is it's pretty cool. The clock is actually on the very top of the box. That's a pretty cool feature. So click on the first square. And now just look for the app that you want to put there. Just going to put the main apps here. Okay, this is how I set up mine, but once again, you could do it whichever way you want. It doesn't really matter. I do like to have the TA store here simply because every time Tanggula updates their boxes, it's always in the store. It just makes it easier to get access to it. Okay, so one more thing before we use any of these apps, we do need to make sure they're set up properly. So let's log in. You do have to grant access to it. So we got to go to permissions. Okay, so we got to go right here, file, and we do have to allow. Now the app will load. Okay, so first things first, let's head over to settings. We got to go all the way to the bottom, switch device mode. By default, it comes on a mobile. We need to switch it to TV. Save changes. And that's all to it. Okay, so this one's done. Let's exit out of here. The new Tank TV, really don't need to do anything to it. It already comes already all set up. So let's try the TARS TV. Once again, grant access, permissions, files, allow, then exit out. And now it should load. There we go. So once again, we're going to go to the top to the gear, all the way to the bottom, and click on TV. Save changes. Saved. Now let's exit out of here, and this one should be good to go too. So this is their latest app that they added to the TA store. This is my first time seeing it as well. So let's click on it. And let's see if there's anything here that we need to do adjustments to. Okay, so there's no setup needed. It's just open up the app and off you go. So let me exit out of here. So I've been testing the remote control. It doesn't work on any of these apps. The only app it really works really well on is YouTube. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop in my USB and let's test out if this thing can support 8K. It says it is an 8K box, so let's try it out. Wait for my USB symbol to pop up. Okay, so I just got the USB symbol pop up. So now let's go to Files, USB drive. It's blank, I'm not sure why. Okay, so let's exit out of here. Let's go to all the apps. File Manager. And here we are. Press OK. So here's my two 8K videos. Let's try this one first. Okay, it plays right away. No buffering. Really nice picture. Okay, let's exit out of here. Okay, let's try the last one. Okay, this one loaded up a lot quicker than the other one. Not bad. Okay, so the box does support up to 8K. I have to say this box actually works pretty quick. A lot faster than I thought it would. Especially because it's strictly Wi-Fi. It's not bad. It does work pretty well. Anyhow, that's all I have for you guys today. This is the brand new Tanggula X6. If you guys are interested in this box, I will have a link in the description where to get it. If you guys have any comments, please put it below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. You want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.